Hi guys, welcome back to this video. In case you're new here, my name is Kendi. So today is the last day of the school holidays, meaning the school the opening tomorrow. So I have some errands to run. Just thought of doing a quick get ready / spend a day with me video. Oh, we are going out. Need to get some school supplies, need to get some stuff for the house as well. So we get a chance to vlog in the mall, I'll do that. So for now, I thought we should do like a simple makeup get ready with me video. That is, I won't show the other part, but just the makeup part of it. And I'm not planning on doing like a heavy makeup, so I'll do a quick video of that. But first, let me get my contact lenses on. Let's do our makeup and then we get going, because editing is calling. And since there's noise, like we have kids playing outside, I think I'll just leave it on a time lapse. So as I said earlier, my face is prepped, so I just go direct to putting on the makeup. I prefer to prep it before I prepare, like immediately I leave the shower. I prep my face so that by the time I'm done with dressing up, the products are already settled well on the face. So let me get the makeup and then we'll do it very fast. I'll be looking at the mirror in front of me. So yeah. So I already have this on. This is Nivea Day Cream, and I have my brushes here with me. I'll start with the brows. Actually, I should be doing a trimming very soon, like threading. I do threading, so I'll be doing my threading very soon. But for now, since I have no time, I'll just work with what I have. Since I'll be wearing a mask, I'll be wearing these two. This is a nude lippy, and I prefer to start with this one. I prefer to start with the lip gloss so that I don't stain it.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're.
So if you noticed, I didn't use any setting spray because it's not that sunny, so I feel like I can still go with my makeup as it is. And then I want to quickly show you the scent of the day. I'm going to do a combination of these two. So this is Bare Vanilla, we used it, and Ember Romance. That combination is always bomb.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. I never really liked the way you dressed. I guess I thought your style might grow on me. You're never really honest, made me guess. And now I want you far from close to me. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome.
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free.